Here's how to fix high CPU or disk usage quickly. Step 1. Clear temporary files. Press Windows plus S, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. Select your C drive and click OK. Check Temporary Files and any other unnecessary files, then click OK. Delete files. Clearing these files frees up system resources and can reduce CPU and disk usage caused by cluttered temporary data. Step 2. Run System File Scanner or SFC scan. Press Windows plus S, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC/Scan Now and press Enter. Windows will scan and repair corrupted system files that can cause excessive CPU or disk activity. Wait for the scan to complete. It may take minutes. Once finished, a summary of repairs will be displayed. Following these steps should help lower CPU and disk usage, making your PC run smoother. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.